Welcome back to Emancipation Park. It's the end of summer. Sizzle is a good vibe. Empress, where's the extra one?
She come with our special fan, our special headpiece, and the special jacket in the heat.
Yes, don't ask me. It is very hot, and I must have African flag in the summer.
Once you got I, she's going off into the zone. But right now, it's rollout. Now, what happens in rollout? 5 contestants are going to come on stage. They're going to perform for 1 minute each, and we're going to score them. 5 for being very good, and 1 if you're not very good.
And you guys watch Rollout on a Friday morning, right? So I don't know how the thing goes.
Rollout.
And of course, this is the best of Rollout. It's not just normal Rollout. These are the 5 best, right?
So they've been on Rollout before.
So if them come up here and them not going to give us a good performance, you guys are going to be one of the judges, right? There's 1 vote, 2 votes, 3 votes. Mr. DJ makes 4, and you guys are vote number 5. So we need you to make noise when they're good, and we need you to tell us when they're not so
first
good.
up to the best of Rollout stage is Infinity.
Whoa. You know my side can't open up, but sing to everybody's side. Argentina, we say. Egyptian. I sing to everybody's side. Everybody be ready? Right, watch it now. Everybody go so. World Cup dance. World Cup dance. World Cup. Me side too bad and me side can't lose. One lose game and then get confused. Guess them a guess, Messi out them fuse. Cause Argentina where Messi them choose. Me no care if Brazil come second, third or last, that don't reckon. Argentina, Jamaican better. From foundation your team dead. Jamaican people, go back and check on. One thing me want from my fans and my second. Push up your right hand, push up your left hand. Next side dead when me team them step on. Team well fresh and me team well clean. Everybody know Argentina me team. Everybody know Argentina lane. So everybody go so. What's the go so? Who lit the dog? 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 Who did dog? Who did dog? Who did dog? Who did dog?
Infinity, walla, Infinity, no leave. No leave.
Wait. We're going to save the decision until the end, right? So no keep on voting on the head member how it go, right?
Infinity.
Just keep it in mind. Thank you, Infinity. We're going to keep the vote until the end.
Infinity, you know that France is my team, though.
All right, France are your team?
Yeah,
Hold on. I feel like you want to say something after each performance. You understand?
Yes.
We can't give the vote. But when you say who licked the dog?
Who licked the dog?
Who licked the dog?
And the dog.
Who licked the dog?
No, who licked the dog? No, don't make the sound. It's who licked the dog.
I him lick the dog.
Infinity licked the dog.
I him lick the dog.
You know, I'm not an Argentina fan because they don't really love black people. So I have to put that out there because I know my history. But let's see. He was very entertaining, so it's time to bring on the next one, though.
Next up, for the best of Rollout, we have Microchip.
Push, Pierce Park. Emancipation Park, when you sing the punchline now. You soon get it, listen me out. In Jamaica, we have summertime. In Jamaica, we feeling fine. In Jamaica, we full up parade. Who now follow, we get left brain again. In Jamaica, you have summertime. In Jamaica, we feeling fine. In Jamaica, we full up parade. Lower. We have autumn, spring, winter, and summer. In Jamaica, we have the best temperature. We have the bright sun, we have the cool breeze. We have plenty river and a beautiful sea. In Jamaica, we have summertime. In Jamaica, we feeling fine. In Jamaica, we full of parade. Who now follow, go get left brain again. In Jamaica, we have summertime. In Jamaica, we feeling fine. In Jamaica, we full of parade. Emancipation low. When summertime come, we go watch it. Go swim with the dolphin and ride water ski. Full up the belly with fish and bammy. And everything 1 dozen water jelly. I want the microphone and me a DJ daddy. Me DJ for big man and lick up again. And me say this, me no easy. A top celebrity in here. In Jamaica, we have summertime. In Jamaica, we feeling fine. In Jamaica, we full up around.
All right, Microchip. That's Microchip 1.7. And a 2.0. I don't know the upgrade. I don't know the best.
All right, so just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind.
Next up, we have
Romay.
Do your thing.
I don't know a thing, go. People are going. no good. Alright. What a style. Pleasant good evening. Don't know anything, go. Yeah. What a style, yeah. Little of me tell her what hustling and me thing, you know. Me ready for the road and I do it, me I do it, sir. Hustle, hustle, hustle and me thing, you know. Hustle, hustle, hustle and me thing, you know. Me little of me tell her what hustling and me thing, you know. Me ready for the road and I do it, me I do it, sir. Hustle, hustle, hustle and me thing, you know. Hustle, hustle, hustle and me thing, you know. Me in the streets like white line and my time fi start shine, even fi sell ripe wine. Hustle me a hustle every mickle make a muckle. Hustle me a hustle every mickle make a muckle. Both those pull down jacket suit me fi a wear. You know me tired of the tear up shots, them I swear. Something when me remember, yo, yeah, me a feel off. Like when boss work me and I want pay me off what a style. Look.
You have 20 seconds, you know, want to use it?
You have 20 seconds. Do something quick. 10 seconds.
I mean, I do something for you, them.
In 10 seconds, quick.
All right.
9.
Subtraction, so we do the maths here. Divide the equation, adopt the sum here. Multiply x by a small number, that is algebra or variation of number. In maths, I'm telling you the facts. It's hard, but teachers still tell we congrats.
Hold on,
Subtraction,
time up. Yo, that bad though.
Yeah, we mate.
And when we say bad, we mean good. For the little picnic, then we had to give you something. We don't want you hustle, we want you study your book. You understand? And we are teacher in music. Thank you so much, Ramel. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm confused.
You know what? I'm not even going to listen to you two right now.
No, I'm confused.
Nobody confused. Venom, Venom, we have him ready. Venom. Not Venom, Knox?
Knox.
All right,
Next
Knox.
on stage, we have,
Knox.
wearing his full suit to red, best of rollout.
Big up everybody in our place, you know. Big up the good girl. And
Welcome, Knox.
Hear me, no man. Good evening, judges. Hear me, I say, no man, out there say look pretty. I like kids, them look pretty out there. They don't know what Knox I represent, though. And we are represent for summer Sizzle. You hear that? Watch out. Me reach to the top, did a fight from the floor. Yo, win me, I win right now. You attack and I know, yo, charge and I sure. Oh, while them a pile me a score. Me reach to the top, did a fight from the floor. Win me, I win right now. You attack and I know, yo, charge and I sure. Oh, while them a pile me a score. Hold on there. No for different them were they and never did they from morning. In the game where we all in. You have to rough to win like my voice come. Can't sing, tug it out, turn it down there. This are the one in them. I go tell you say you can't win, but carry on and falling. Them want you fi fall for you. All who have glad say them have life. Go so, me glad me have life. Yo, G, me not dead, still I live the dream. And oi, enough of them dream of years say we dead. Light pan green and seed pan. Me glad me have life. Yo, G, me not dead, still I live the dream. And I build with my friends. Enough of them dream of years say we dead. Light pan green and seed pan. Some man reach to the top, did a fight from the floor.
All right, Knox, your time up. Just